Alright, part 2 here. Examining how I drew the eyes in pencil. Of course, going over ink is going to change naturally. Let's see if there's a color photo to see what color the fabric is on her. This would be her viewer's left shoulder. This here looks like fabric. So her shoulder is probably around there like that. Yes, that would all be her hair here. Alright, to be continued. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I really always truly appreciate your feedback. B-O-K, Bach. That's bird talk. All right, Karen Hunt, 20-year-old student murdered by the Qaddafi regime in Libya. The explosion of PanAm Flight 103 over Lockerbie, Scotland in 1988, which really hit me hard. I was in Scotland for 5 months in 1987 as an international artist in residence at the Aberdeen Art Gallery. And spent a lot of time in Scotland, in later years guest teaching in schools all over Scotland and at Aberdeen University and elsewhere. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Appreciate it.